Hi guys, I'm Suhasini and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to talk about one of the very first newborn essentials that you'll require for your baby. So hospital में जैसे ही baby born होता है, the very first thing that you use is a wrap, is a swaddle. तो फर्स्ट टाइम जब बेबी आपको देते हैं, बेबी को अच्छे से स्वाडल करके ही आपको देते हैं. सो इन टुडेज़ वीडियो विल बी टॉकिंग क्यों स्वाडल करते हैं, उसके बेनिफिट्स क्या है, मार्केट में सबसे बेस्ट क्वालिटी स्वाडल्स कौन से हैं एंड सो ऑन. सो बेबी जब वूम में होता है फॉर 9 months, व्हेन इट ग्रोज इट गेट्स यूज टू दैट एनवायरनमेंट एंड वो एक सिक्योर फीलिंग डेवलप हो जाता है बिकॉज द बेबी अडेप्ट्स टू दैट एनवायरनमेंट. And all of a sudden, when the baby comes to the outer world, it's a drastic change for the baby from the womb to the outer world. So initial 2-3 months, baby को time लगता है to adjust to the outer world. इसी को बोलते हैं transition stage. So to create the same kind of warmth, security, we swaddle the baby. Okay, so it's very common and it's very obvious कि बेबी को वार्म रखने के लिए ही वी स्वाडल. बट अदर देन दैट स्टार्टिंग में इफ़ यू सी बेबीज़ जो है बहुत डर जाते हैं इनिशियली, नींद में डर के उठना एंड ऑल. सो to give them a sense of security and to make them feel comfortable also we swaddle. And one more reason is कि swaddle करने से it leads to better quality of sleep. Babies जो है they sleep for longer period of time without interruptions. So this is why we swaddle. Some babies do not like being wrapped up. So for that another alternative would be कि आप arms को loose छोड़ के सिर्फ बेबी के बॉडी को रैप करके यू कैन गिव इट ट्राई. नाउ कब तक स्वाडल करना चाहिए इज़ अनदर क्वेश्चन विच एवरी पेरेंट हैज़. सो आइडियली इट इज़ सेड कि 2 to 3 months इज़ एडवाइजेबल. बट आई वुड से कि आप देखो जैसे आपका बेबी कंफर्टेबल है 2-2.5 months एंड दैट्स हाउ you can follow up with that. Now, talking about the swaddles available in the market में these days you get ready-made swaddles with velcro stickers or flaps. So easily आप baby को place करके आप fold कर सकते हो. And the other one is the traditional cloth swaddle जो बहुत सालों से people have been using. Now I prefer the traditional cloth swaddle. I'll tell you why. Simply because babies जो है बहुत जल्दी बड़े हो जाते हैं and if you use a ready-made swaddle they'll easily outgrow it within 1.5 months to 2 months. And as it is उसके बाद आपको swaddle की requirement नहीं होगी, so that's a waste of product. You'll be using it only for 2 months. Whereas a traditional swaddle cloth जो है it's very very multifunctional. I'll say उसका multi utility है. Initially you can use it as a swaddle to wrap the baby. Other than that आप उसको bedsheet के जैसे use कर सकते हो. You can use it as a cover up while breastfeeding your baby. बाहर जाते वक्त you can cover up your baby. You can use it as a burp cloth और फिर नहला कर बेबी को wipe करना है उसके लिए भी आप use कर सकते हो. So you can use it at least for 1 to 1.5 years of age. So without a thought, you can invest in a good quality swaddle. I would personally say go for a cotton या फिर मलमल and make sure कि आप ज़्यादा tight या फिर ज़्यादा loose ना wrap करो बेबी को. हॉस्पिटल में यूजुअली द नर्स विल टीच यू हाउ टू स्वाडल द बेबी. अगर आपको फिर भी नहीं समझ रहा है ऑब्वियसली ऑन यूट्यूब देयर आर प्लेंटी ऑफ वीडियोज़ यू कैन चेक देम आउट. एंड नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट my personal suggestions. So for Joy, so far I have been using swaddles from 3 brands and it's been 6.5-7 months almost and it's still going strong. Okay, so the very first brand which I want to suggest you is Cotton Theory and Co. ये एक Instagram page है. They have a very good quality and affordable range of baby products. If you are someone who likes quirky prints, vibrant prints, तो आपको definitely इनका पेज चेकआउट करना चाहिए. These are the 2 prints which I have and इसका प्राइस रेंज जो है it's around 600 for 2 swaddles which actually is pretty affordable when you compare to the other brands available online. Second brand is Be Little. Be Little जो है they have a wide range of baby products and उनके पास cotton as well as मलमल swaddles available है. So इनका ये combo मैंने लिया था rainbow print and I have many others but I'm just showing you 2 for now. So इनका price range भी again it falls 1000 rupees for 2 and also they run offers, so do check out their website I would say. इनका लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूँगी so that you can go have a look. And lastly is Kicks and Crawls. This is a Mumbai based company I guess. And इनका भी swaddles जो है, first of all I have to tell you कि इनका size जो है काफ़ी बड़ा है compared to the other two. If you see it's like too huge. And one more print is this unicorn print which I got. I'll show you the size of this one. This is a little smaller but yeah, so इसका size इतना है and I guess काफ़ी रहता है newborn के लिए especially. So these are the 3 brands which I have been using for Joy and I love all 3 of them. इनका quality अच्छा है and I would highly suggest you also to invest in good quality swaddle because you can make very very good use out of it, like 1 to 1.5 years तो आप use करने ही वाले हो, तो make sure आप अच्छे quality में invest करो. And I hope you like this video and if you find it helpful please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and until then bye bye.